Good afternoon, my YouTube viewers. In this video, what we're going to talk about is the Poisson distribution. The Poisson distribution is a powerful tool for modeling count-based events that occur randomly but at a constant average rate over a fixed interval of time, space, or volume. It is especially useful when dealing with rare or unpredictable events. So we're going to do a practice question on the Poisson distribution. Okay, so the practice question is about a call center. A call center receives an average of 3 calls per minute. What is the probability that it gets exactly 5 calls in a minute? So our mean rate is our lambda, and we've got that as 3 because that's an average of 3 calls per minute. And our target number of calls x is 5 because we want to have 5 calls per minute. So you have a probability of 5 equals Poisson.dist. B5 is your target, comma B4 is your mean, and false means it's a probability distribution function. And so now we have values of 0 to 10, and we have our probability distribution function for each of the values. And then what we do here is we create a graph of the call center. So the probability of 0 calls is 5%. Probability of 1 calls is 15%. 2 calls is maybe 22%. 3 calls is 22%. 4 calls is maybe 16%, and 5 calls is 0.1%. 6 calls is 5%. 7 calls is 3%. 8 calls is 2%. 9 calls is 1%. And 10 calls doesn't even figure. And you can see here that when we do the Poisson distribution, probability of 5 is 0.100819. So that means that the probability of getting 5 calls in a minute is 0.100819. So that's it for this particular video, and we completed this section on distributions for hypothesis testing. And so the next series of videos will be on another statistical subject, and so I hope that you decide to watch them.